Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Jack McGowan. I'm with Insyte Consulting. And Insyte is a private not-for-profit company. We're turned to a regional technology development center. We get some support from NYSTAR, which is the New York State Office of Science, Technology, and Academic Research, which also is a major supporter of the center here. And we work with local small to medium-sized manufacturers and early-stage technology companies, helping them to get their businesses started, grow their businesses, and hopefully benefit the region. And we do kind of a variety of things. I'm going to get a few minutes to speak with you today about a few of them that deal with access to capital, generally for early-stage companies. So I've got 3 different items that I'll be talking about that maybe a great value to either your companies or folks you may know. The first one is the Business Development Fund. And in the packet, the M&T packet, also included in there are some things that the brochures about the items I'll be talking about. And the first one is this one. This is about the Western New York Business Development Fund. And what this is a early stage, kind of a pre-seed investment fund, which is a collaboration among Insyte, and we're the administrator of the fund as well as one of the investors. NYSTAR, actually through its predecessor, Empire State Development Corporation, but now it's transferred over to NYSTAR, the Erie County IDA, and the University of Buffalo Foundation. Our 4 organizations got together and each have committed money to pool in to make investments under this program. And what we do is we provide investments, either equity or convertible debt, in early stage companies that we think have strong promise for success and commercialization and growth for the region. It's a 2-phase program. Phase 1, we will invest up to $50,000. In phase 2, which is not automatic, depending if the companies execute on their phase 1 investment as planned, and it looks like they're progressing well, then they're eligible for a possible phase 2 investment of $150,000. We do require a match, a 1-to-1 match. So, for instance, in phase 1, if we're going to invest $50,000, the expectation, the requirement is that the entrepreneur or friends and family will come up with a matching amount. And then similarly, if we move on to phase 2, we're also looking for a match, although those match funds then could come from other sources. It could come from SBIR or other investors or what have you. So the requirement is a little bit different. As far as our process, submit the business plan for consideration, just like other investors would, and we'll review the business plan. We will conduct due diligence, digging and studying additional information about the company and verifying some items. And we have a committee that the company would then come in, make a brief presentation to the committee, and if the partners decide that they think it's an investment that they're willing to make, then we get approval. And we're pleased. Empire Genomics is one of the companies that we have made an approval to. We're working toward closing of that. Kinex Pharmaceuticals is another one of our portfolio companies, which we're very, very pleased to be part of. So there are a number of companies in the Western New York region that we've made investments in, and certainly we're always looking to do more. So you have the brochure. My contact information is in there, so the step would be to give me a call. We can talk more about it, and hopefully we could proceed to potentially making